Exercise 1, part 1 in the extra sheet. They asked us to calculate the angle XOZ. The given is that these three angles are equal. XOZ equals to ZOY equals to YOT. And also the angle XOT is right angle. Then we start by XOT equals to 90 degrees. Why? It's given, okay, that XOT is right. Okay, and we put we can write that XOZ plus ZOY plus YOT, the summation or the addition of these three angles بيعطونا the big angle XOT, which is 90 degree, right? But given that these three angles are equal, XOZ equal to ZOY equal to YOT, it is given here. Okay, then we can put, instead of XOZ here, we can put XOZ, and instead of ZOY we can also put XOZ. Why? Since XOZ equals to ZOY. And also instead of YOT we can put XOZ. So XOZ plus XOZ plus XOZ, okay, since we have three equal angles here, equals also to 90. Then these three angles, the same angle, بيعطوني 3 XOZ equal to 90. Type, we have here 3 multiplied by XOZ بيعطيني 90. So XOZ قديش بدها تكون؟ بدها تكون 30, right? Since 3 multiplied by 30 gives us 90 degrees. فينا كمان نشتغلها in another method. فينا we can divide the 90, okay, divided by 3 to get the XOZ. So we can say that we have two methods. Okay, yeah, what is the unknown here? The XOZ. XOZ multiplied by 3 gives us 90. Then what is the number that the one we multiply by 3 بيعطينا 90? It is 30. Or in other words, 90 divided by 30 بيعطينا الأنون اللي بدي هو يلي XOZ. Okay, part 2, they ask us to calculate the angle DAB. Also we have DAR equals to 90 degree, since it is right angle. DAR is right angle, and we can add DAB plus BAS plus SAR. All of these angles make the right angle DAR, which is 90. So the addition of them يعطيني 90. We can substitute BAS 20 and SAR 20. Okay, so it will be DAB plus 40, 20 plus 20 equals 90. يعني نحن مع 40 شو بنجمع ليعطيني 90? It's 50. Okay, or in another word we can say 90 minus 40 is equal to DAB, the unknown. In part 3, they ask us to calculate MCV, the angle MCV. Also we have the angle MCV and LCM and VCK. These angles هن adjacent supplementary angles, right? يعني the summation or the addition of these angles, three angles, بيعطوني 180 degrees. We can substitute instead of LCM it is 75, and instead of VCK it's 25. Then MCV plus 75 plus 25 equals 180 in this equation. MCV, the unknown اللي بدي اعملها calculation أنا, plus 100, since 75 plus 25 يعطيني 100 equals 180, right? What is the number that if we add to it 100 يعطيني 180? It's 80, right? So MCV it's 80 degrees. Or in other words, 180 degrees minus 100, we get the unknown MCV. Okay, given ABC is any triangle, and given that in part 4 that the angle ABC is equal to 110 and the angle BAC is equal to 35 degrees. So they need us to calculate the angle ACB and to find the nature of triangle ABC. The summation of the angles in this triangle ABC equals 180, and the proof is that the sum of angles in triangle equals to 180. ACB, we need to know ACB, plus we substitute instead of ABC 110 and instead of BAC 35 degrees, since they are given in this exercise, equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so 110 plus 35, it's 144. So ACB, the unknown that we need to calculate it, plus 145 بيعطيني 180 degree in this equation. What is the number ACB? It is 35, since 35 plus 145 بيعطيني 180. Or in other words, as I told you in the previous parts, 180 degree minus 145 degrees gives us or equals to 35 degrees. Then, about the nature of the triangle ABC, we notice that the angle BAC here, that is given 35, and the angle we calculated ACB equals also to 35. Then these angles are equal. Then the base angles of the triangle ABC are equal. We conclude that the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, since the base angles are equal. In part 5, given the triangle EFG is isosceles triangle of vertex F, the angle EFG equals also to 54 degree. They asked to calculate the angle FEG and FGE. So we put the summation of the three angles in the triangle. Okay, EFG equals to equal to 180, since the sum of angles in a triangle. This is the proof. Okay, but FEG equals EGF, since they are the base angles in the isosceles triangle, right? Then if we go back to this statement here, FEG plus FEG also. Why we put FEG another time? Since EGF here, it's the same, it's equal to FEG. So we can put, instead of EGF, we can put FEG. So you have 2 FEG plus EFG بننزلها مثل ما هي equals to 180 degrees. FEG plus FEG بيعطيني 2 FEG plus EFG بننزلها 180 degrees. EFG given it's 54 degrees. يعني صار عنا we substitute it. 2FEG plus 54 degrees بيعطيني 180 degrees. اوكي طيب يعني 2FEG اللي هو الانون عندي انا، قديش بده يكون هيدا النمبر الفاليو تبعه؟ اذا نحن عم نزيد معه 54 عم بيعطيني 180 degrees، رح يكون 2FEG 126 degrees. Or we can subtract 180, we can make 180 degrees minus 54 بيعطيني 2FEG. طيب وصلنا ل 2FEG equal to 126 degrees. Then FEG multiplied by 2 بيعطيني 126. ال FEG قديش؟ It's 63. Or in other words 126 divided by 2 بيعطيني ال FEG اللي هي 63. وال FGE, if you look here, FGE or EGF equals to FEG. So both of them equals to 63 degrees.